Did you know an emperor once bankrupted the Roman Empire just to prove a fortune teller wrong? Caligula had been told he had no more chance of becoming emperor than riding a horse across the Bay of Naples. Well, he became emperor anyway, but that insult still burned. So in 39 AD, he ordered the most expensive temper tantrum in history. He commanded hundreds of ships to be chained together across 3 miles of open water. Workers laid wooden planks on top, creating a temporary bridge across the entire bay. The project took months and drained multiple provinces of their wealth. But Caligula wasn't done yet. He put on Alexander the Great's ancient breastplate, mounted his horse, and rode triumphantly across his bridge. Then he threw lavish banquets on it for days, celebrating his petty victory. After the party ended, he ordered the entire bridge dismantled. The stunt cost more than Rome's entire military budget for a year, all because one man couldn't let go of an old prediction. Sometimes the most powerful of people make the most expensive mistakes.